So here in this video I am making a plane. At first I tried to print the plane without support but got messed up. Still I fixed the shape with the soldering iron. But it's too small for our motor and blades. So I decided to print a big plane. This time I'm splitting the plane in two pieces to avoid hanging parts. We don't need these blades because it's too bulky and not much aerodynamic. And to place a battery, I am making a space. After printing the parts, I will solder them together.